Veteran Jamaican musician Shabba ranks his 1992 hit single Ting-a-ling-a-ling has been given new life. The single has been sampled by Atlantic recording artist Aisha on her debut single One Night Ting. It features rapper Saweetie. The track was released yesterday and has been getting rave reviews from music lovers. Ting-a-ling has been sampled by a number of A-list artists including Nicki Minaj, Drake, Spice, Burna Boy, among others. Reggae and dancehall artists are set to make their appearance at this weekend's Cali Vibes Festival. The three-day event boasts a lineup that includes a slew of Jamaican and reggae dancehall stars along with hip-hop legends. The event will see the likes of Sean Paul, Steel Puss, Shaggy, Coffee, Protege, Lila Ike, Barrington Levy, along with the Marley brothers Steve and Ziggy, Damon, Julian and Kim Marley. They'll be joining forces for a special set celebrating the catalogue of Bob Marley. Following the postponement of her Las Vegas residency due to COVID-19 concerns, English singer Adele has updated her fans on a few places she will be performing next. In an Instagram post, Adele shared that she will be performing at the Brit Awards next week and will appear on an upcoming episode of The Graham Norton Show. Fans were left disappointed after Adele cancelled her Las Vegas show 24 hours before the show was scheduled to take place. Adele is nominated for 4 Brit Awards, including Best Album for 30 and Best British Artist at the ceremony scheduled for February 8. Now, American rapper Lil Uzi Vert has caused quite an upset on social media. The rapper, who is known for adding unusual changes to his image, has taken to Twitter to share that he will be bleaching his skin. He later proceeded to change the display image to Michael Jackson before updating it to incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel. Lil Uzi then posted a video of himself in the studio listening to his new track. The rapper has been known for his controversial looks. Now, last year, he had a pink diamond implanted in his forehead. The 11-carat gem cost a reported $24 million. Lil Uzi Vert is currently working on his long-awaited debut album titled Pink Tape. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.